How to get Snapchat Plus for free. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to get the Snapchat Plus for free, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application like this by tapping on Snapchat. After that, Snapchat will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the profile like icon and then you can just scroll down. Here you can see the option of the Snapchat Plus. Now you have to tap on the option of the Snapchat Plus. When you tap on the option of the Snapchat Plus, you can see the interface like this, which is very nice because when you go to the option of Snapchat Plus and get the Snapchat Plus, you can have the custom app icon, which is exclusive. You also can have exclusive chat wallpapers, the custom app themes, the best friend themes, the story rewatch, the post view emoji, the Bitmoji backgrounds, the Snapchat Plus badge, the custom story expiry, the solar system option, the custom notification sound, the priority story replies, and to the story boost to create a video by MIAI, to the custom Bitmoji bits, to replay again, to Snapchat Stray Store, to extended best friend list, and there are a lot of options out there. Therefore, what you can do is you can go to the option of next here, and after you go to the option of next, you can see an interface like this. Since subscribing is not currently available on my country in my region, however, it may be available in your region. If it's available in your region, you can see the interface is subscribing it. It may take some money after a week or after a month. Therefore, if you tap on the option of the monthly package, then you will get the very option of monthly fee there. And if you go to the option of weekly free there, then you can get the very option of getting the Snapchat Plus for the weekly free there. So this is the way on how you can subscribe it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.